Hey, there you are, and welcome to My Dude Watch. My name is Jason, and we are back with 10 stunner recommendations leading up to Christmas, which, as you know, is right around the corner. And we will also give you several more videos in the coming days from Joma Shop, Watchdives, and Amazon. So be on the lookout for those. So you know the routine. Grab a snack, pull up a chair, and let's talk watches.
They call me a god.
All right, before we press on, I just want to let you know that this giveaway, you still have time to register for it. So like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tell us in the comments which of these watches you would like to win. So here are the watches that you stand to win. The Steel Dive SD1953, the Spec & Sony SP0020, a Tandorio SKX Homage, North Edge, and a Lost Denton. What an incredible dive watch that is. And if you want a quick rundown of these 5 watches, you can get them here. And lastly, before we get going, we're going to do the wrist check at the end this time, so hang tight for that. All right, let's get it. This is the first recommendation of today. This is the Proxima PX1692. This Panda chronograph is available in white or black with a bracelet or leather strap. This 40mm chrono is powered by the VK64, so the second hand just sweeps around the dial effortlessly. You get sapphire crystal, stainless steel, a ceramic bezel insert, a screw-down crown and case back, and 100 meters of water resistance. And you know what else you get? The quality that Proxima is known for. This is an amazing watch. I just love this watch. It's spec'd out, it's refined, and it can be yours for less than $100. And we are on number 2. This is the Parnsrpe Elite Dress Watch. This beauty right here has a very interesting dial, don't you think? I don't really like the name. Actually, I really dislike it, but it's not a deal breaker for me. I just don't know how it got through a marketing and development meeting. Unbelievable. Anyway, it is a great looking watch with an interesting dial. It has a SeaKoss automatic movement, stainless steel everywhere, sapphire crystal, and again, an incredible dial. I think it's a winner, and for right at $50, that's a great price. Anytime you can get a San Martin for less than $65, you have hit the jackpot. Well, congratulations. Here's the San Martin SN0021. This is a steal. It's so underpriced. You get stainless steel, sapphire crystal with exceptional finishing. Just look at the refinement of this case. It's absolute perfection. This watch is waterproof to 100 meters and obviously a really great value. It's 37 millimeters in diameter and 45 millimeters lug to lug, and the case thickness is 11.5 millimeters. You get the PT 5000 movement and the name of San Martin on your wrist. The refinement of this watch is spectacular, and for $65, you can have it. And for the 4th watch of the day, this is the WM160M. WM was formerly known as Welly Merck. This is a truly impressive watch that combines both style and durability. It feels high-end with its sapphire crystal, stainless steel case, and bracelet. WM has really nice movements. This is an incredible watch, and that dial with its blue bleeding into the black is awesome. And for less than $60, you can't go wrong. Do yourself a favor and check this one out. That is 4 bangers down. Here at number 5 is the Vakuy Rigas Montre. If you are looking for a vintage watch that looks and feels much more expensive than it really is, this may be your guy. It has an absolutely stunning dial that is incredibly legible. This businessman's watch is powered by the SeaKoss VH31, which is a sweeping seconds hand, and it is awesome. I really love the color designs of these watches, and it can be yours for less than $65. Next is a watch that I've recently discussed here on the channel. This is one of my absolute favorites. It's the Adddiesdive MY-H10 Sumo. How many of you like dive watches? I mean, legit, heavy-duty, nearly indestructible dive watches. This H10 from Adddiesdive is just that. I like the weight, the heft, the feel, the durability of this watch. This is a 200-meter water-resistant tank with sapphire crystal and 316L stainless steel. It has a tall, heavy-duty, perfectly functioning bezel with a ceramic insert. This Sumo Homage is incredible. I know I recently recommended this diver, but at this price, I had to tell you about it one more time. You can find this Sumo Homage for $79 right now with one seller. The rest of them are about $110 or more. So We'll send you that link in the description. Here at number 7, I want to mention Boderry. This is one of the most impressive brands. We could have actually suggested any one of their models in their entire catalog, but we're going to go with the Boderry 38. I have studied their watches, looked for faults and concerns, and truthfully, they are an amazing product, especially their field watches. So let's just simply recommend the Boderry 38. This one comes with titanium bracelet, a beautiful nylon strap. Buy this one and enjoy. This field watch is less than $90. It's impressive. I got one on order for myself. How many of you have heard of SeaKoss? This is a great brand with a great product, like this one. This is the S8841 and it's a lot of watch for the money. You get 100 meters of water resistance, has a stainless steel case, a 60-second subdial, and carries a Seagull ST2557. This is a big boy, so keep that in mind. It measures 45 millimeters in diameter and 17.5 millimeters thick, so it is a bit chunky. Having said that, it is an impressive watch, and it can be yours for less than $70. Pushing our way to number 9. This is the Watchdives WD-50, the 50 Fathoms homage. This is another watch that has far outperformed expectations considering all the competition in this dive watch category and the price range. I own this watch and paid around $97 for it a few months back, but today it's available for less than $89. And what do you get for the money? Well, a whole lot of watch. You get stainless steel, automatic movement, sapphire crystal, a screw-down crown, and case back. The list goes on and on. This watch is well made. It's tough, it's durable, it's exactly what every diver should be. I'm on the record of saying this 50 Fathoms is the best homage out there. It's my favorite, and I think it would be yours as well. Here we are at number 10. We've got 9 bangers in our rear view mirror. This one is the Mysterious Code Titanium watch. If you're looking for a simple watch that is well finished, consistent, and durable, this may be your one. For less than $43, you get a titanium case, sapphire crystal, and awesome VK64 movement that simply sweeps around the dial. This is one of the most legible dials you will ever see. The hands are thick and the dials are dark. This is a nice pilot's watch, and as you are aware, Mysterious Code makes a good product. Another name I don't prefer, but the watch is incredible. It never fails. Every time we do a list, if Mysterious Code is not on it, I get bombarded in the comments. Well, it's in it today. Okay, it's time for our wrist check. This is the North Edge Hornet. This is an amazing and comfortable watch. North Edge makes some of the best tactical watches around, and I hope you take the time to check this one out. All right, that's 11 bangers we gave you today. I hope you've enjoyed them. If you have more questions about them and you need to investigate them, we did put links in the description. Go there, check them out, make sure they're right for you and it's something that you want. If it is and you decide to purchase, just remember, My Dude Watch does get a small commission, but you don't pay more. Hey, you made it to the end of another video, and thank you for watching. We do appreciate that. If you enjoyed what you saw today, please take the time to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help, and you'll be registered for that video. All right, I've been given the signal. It's time to wrap it up, so let's close the show. Thank you again for watching. My name is Jason with My Dude Walks, and we'll see you next time. But wait, don't forget, dudes can't be late.
They call me a god.